Unpack with me. This is random orders, but most of them is for my additional cash stuffing essential and for my table. I bought this because we travel a lot and really need to always have medicine with us. Next, I bought another money-saving binder. This is where I'll put my 100 bills. Next, I bought a small journal book since I also want to start doing scrapbook journal. I'll also make a video for this. Lastly, dividing for my things on the table, because you noticed in other videos they were just sitting on top of each other and it was getting messy on the table. That's all for today's unpacking video. See you next video.